Hello. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026. Here is your daily signal. According to Fortune, Russia's government has warned that the costs of war are taking a heavy toll on national finances as Ukrainian advances in drone warfare introduce a new phase in combat. Russia is facing mounting economic challenges due to these advanced drone tactics from Ukraine, with the 2026 GDP growth forecast now sharply reduced to just 0.4%, down from 1.3%. Escalating defense expenditure is fueling a rising budget deficit, and the country is tapping deeper into its financial reserves, which further weakens its economic resilience. On May 29, the Kremlin noted that war costs are ravaging both its finances and reserves, creating urgent risk for the budget, as noted by Fortune. Critically, economic growth is stagnating and the GDP projection for 2026 is only 0.4%, reflecting how drone warfare is reshaping spending priorities. Near term, Russia may need to increase spending cuts or raise taxes to counter the expanding deficit. With a military and tech lag behind Ukraine's drones, Russia could be forced into costly recalibrations even as limited GDP growth and depleting reserves constrain its ability to fund domestic programs or keep its military ready. The potential for broader financial instability looms, as compounded effects from war costs and Western sanctions weigh heavily. Next, onto fintech and market news. Business Insider reports that Robinhood stock surged this week, fueled by investor enthusiasm for newly launched AI agent tools and the introduction of Trump accounts. Robinhood Markets, the popular trading app known for its retail user base and innovation in finance, rolled out Trump-themed investment accounts and AI-driven investment agents at the end of May 2026, steps designed to boost engagement and shake up platform demographics. The company's share price has often responded to feature launches and shifts in social sentiment, and the announcement triggered a notable spike, as covered by Business Insider on May 29. The bullish trend this week is being driven by increased investor interest and the promise of AI technology, with users responding positively to fresh tools as well as politically themed features. Near term, Robinhood could experience further user growth and stock price volatility as enthusiasm rises. Addition of Trump-related functionality may draw politically motivated investors. Changing platform demographics, while medium-term risks include regulatory scrutiny or backlash if these AI tools or Trump branding prove controversial. Competitors might also accelerate development of similar AI or celebrity-themed products to capture market share. Turning now to technology and digital assets, New Scientist reports that advances in quantum computing are threatening to make the encryption protecting Bitcoin and other digital assets obsolete. Quantum computing is projected to break current widely used cryptographic methods, potentially destabilizing the world of digital finance. Bitcoin, for example, relies on SHA-256 cryptographic algorithms, which may be vulnerable to quantum attacks. The anticipated Q-day marks when quantum computers could realistically undermine digital security across financial systems, a scenario that concerns both individual holders and institutions, including retirement funds. Even those who don't own cryptocurrency may be affected, since their savings could be linked to digital assets. As New Scientist pointed out on May 29, this technological leap could impact not just cryptocurrencies but retirement savings tied to digital systems. In the near term, digital asset holders may face heightened volatility as quantum threats to encryption become more widely recognized. Medium-term consequences might include a rapid migration to post-quantum cryptography and potential loss of public confidence in digital finance. Regulatory bodies may push for quantum-safe encryption standards, and failure to adapt quickly could result in significant financial losses and increased cyber attacks targeting vulnerable assets. Now, onto the markets. International markets saw mixed moves, with Taiwan outperforming as EWT surged 17.7% month-on-month, while Spain lagged, dropping 0.76% day-on-day. In Europe, Germany's EWG edged up just 0.11% day-on-day, Belgium showed notable momentum and China large-cap FXI gained 0.83% day-on-day but declined over the month, while AFK Africa rose nearly 3% month-on-month. Commodities were also divergent, as U.S. oil USO jumped 4.97% day-on-day, while gold GLD slid 1.4% day-on-day, with agriculture DBA nearly flat and uranium URA down 0.43% day-on-day but plunging 7.7% for the month. Copper CPR stood out among commodities, climbing 12.3% month-on-month, while natural gas UNG dropped 3.27% day-on-day. In sector performance, the SB 500 SPY advanced 0.27% day-on-day and 5.6% over the month. Semiconductors stocks rose 0.5% day-on-day with strong monthly gains, while Finance XLF slipped slightly and Real Estate XLRE dropped 1.64% day-on-day with a 1.84% monthly decline. Among favorites, Microsoft rallied by 2.28% day-on-day, Nvidia soared 6.3% day-on-day, and Oracle recorded a robust 9.9% jump. ARM saw dramatic momentum, up 15.7% day-on-day and over 100% monthly, while Amazon retreated 3.5% day-on-day. For individual movers, Zoo's strategy. Zoos led gainers with a rise of 2,028% and above Food topped the loser list, falling 87.6%. That's it for today. You can find more news and details on our website. Goodbye.